So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi friends, I'm Candace Dorman of Ekow Wellness and Soul Line Dancing. Today I'm not teaching you a full dance, a full line dance. Today I want to show you how to do a portion, like a step. There are probably like 8 counts in it. I should have done the math before, but we'll skip over that. And it's this sort of, it's a turnaround step, and it looks very cool, it looks super complicated, but once you learn it, you'll find that it's not as hard as you thought. And also, once you learn it, you'll be able to get several line dances a lot easier, because a line dance is typically a set of moves that are all strung together in choreography, but a lot of the moves are repeated. And so as long as you know, like a cha-cha-cha, whenever somebody puts a cha-cha-cha, you'll know how to do it. I don't even know what the step is called, but I promise when you see it, you're gonna recognize it and you're like, yes, I've been trying to learn how to do it, okay? So I'm gonna show you it because you're gonna be able to do several different dances. It will make learning several different dances a lot easier, because this is a big, I think it's 8 counts, and it comes up in a lot of really cool songs like Love Me For Real, like Dangerous, the Twista, Wallen remix, and I think it's also in Help Me Find My Drawers. So it's in at least those 3, and then it's probably in a few more. So let's learn that stuff, all right? Again, once you see it, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. All right, so here it is, okay? Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sometimes you might have seen this step look like this. Right? The twist, the turn. That looks very cool, especially when you start adding some sauce to it. And then I should let you know that the easiest way to learn the step is when you learn it in its most basic form, which is where you step on the ground for every step. And so that might look like this. Right? So that's the step. When I figure out what it's called, I will write it in the description, or I'll make another video and use the right name. But until then, we're doing this sassy turnaround, okay? It's kind of like I don't even want to make up something, okay? So let's do the level 1, which was the last one that I just showed you. Let's do that one, because once you learn the tempo of the steps and which foot goes where, then you can add all the sauce. I imagine that you've seen this on so many videos where people are really adding some jazz and some spice to it, and then it makes it feel a lot harder than it actually is. So here we go, level 1, all right? Remember, it's 8 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so it's just 8 steps. I know it's back and forth, but we're gonna get it, okay? So let's try with left, right, left, okay? So here we go. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. See how easy that sounds? That sounds a lot easier than whatever you were trying to figure out before. All right, so I'm gonna turn around, not because I want to show you my booty, but because if you're learning this, you're gonna want to use the same legs that I'm using, okay? So let's turn around. And this is my right leg over here, okay? So let's do that right, left, okay? Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, one more time. We're starting forward, okay, on the right. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay? I'll show you one time on the side so you can see what that looks like as well. So you see which direction you're going in. All right, so we're gonna start on the right foot. All right. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay? One more time, just for prosperity. Not prosperity, prosperity, okay? One more time for prosperity. Okay, we're starting forward. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Did you get it? All right, one more time, just because I like you. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Now, if you do it like that, it'll feel like a drill, right? Like even though we love drill team, I was on the drill team in high school, but you don't want to look like a soldier. So that's where we start to add the sauce later. But until you're ready for the sauce, we want to make sure that you know the steps. So again, a final reminder, this move, before we start adding all the sauce, it's a forward, back, backward, forward. All right, so right leg forward and back, left leg back and forward, okay? So one more time, why not? Here we go, right leg. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And one more time this way. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. All right, those are the moves. Everything else is sass, all right? Okay, so now let's try, if that's level 1, let's try level 2, where instead of a stomp, stomp, we do a kick. And you can see how stomp, stomp is the same as kick and in. It's 2 beats, all right? So let's try that. Right, left, kick, right, left, right, kick, okay? And then if you notice, my body is moving, instead of before when we were doing level 1, which was very military, when we're doing the kick, it's a little more fluid, and so instead of moving forward and back, we're going to rock forward and then rock back, all right? So we're doing that kick on this one. So right, left, kick, right, left, right, kick, stop. Okay, because if you don't bring your foot back in, you're gonna be flying. If you know how to do that, then you don't even need this video. So let's do that one more time slow, and then one more time at tempo, okay? Ready, and right, left, kick, right, kick, step, or left. Right, left, kick, right, kick, left. Okay, that's slow. Let's do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, kick, right, kick, left. Okay? Right, left, kick, right, kick, left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, kick, right, kick, left. All right, did you get it? Pause the video, rewind if you need to. I'll be here. All right, so now you've added a little bit of flow, right? You just do your little bit of flow. If you're here, everything else is sass. Everything else is sauce, okay? Actually, I should teach you the turn first. Again, once you have the steps and the tempo and the rocking forward and back, then you start to get in tune with how much time you have. And that's all, when people are doing all these extra moves, they're just really in tune with how much time they have. And so they add all kinds of things into the allotted time, and they make sure not to go over that time or else they'll fall off the beat, okay? So now we're gonna try level 3. Level 3 is that move with a turnaround, okay? So, let me do it first, and then we'll count together, okay? We're starting on the right. Right, left, kick and turn, right, left, right, kick and turn. Okay? All right, let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, turn, left, right, right. Did that make sense? That's why I leave it for the end, because you gotta have already gotten comfortable with the tempo of the beats and where your feet are going, okay? So, right, left, turn, left, right, turn, right. Try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, turn, left, right, turn, right. Okay, let me turn around so you can do it with me, okay? All right, this is your right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, turn, right, left, right, turn, left, right. It feels a little bit longer. I promise it's the same. Let's do it again. Starting on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, kick, turn, left, right, kick, turn. Now feel better? Right, left, kick, turn, left, right, kick, turn, right. All right, let's do it to beat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, kick, right, left, right, kick, left, right. I feel like I keep changing the words, but I'm just trying to give you other things to hear. You decide which one feels better to you, okay? And then one last time of what that turn looks like forward. Just remember I'm gonna be flipped for you, okay? We're starting on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, kick, right, left, right, kick, left, right. Did you get it? Try it in one more time and then I promise we're done. And then you can roll this back as many times as necessary. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, kick, right, left, right, kick, left, right. Okay, did you get it? Let me know in the comments if you got it. Again, this is not an entire line dance. What this is an 8 count that I have seen repeated several times in a lot of popular line dances right now. Those dances aren't even new, but if you're just getting into line dancing, then it might feel new to you, okay? And this move is a major part of several songs. And once you get this move down, all the other steps, like a cross, right? These kinds of things are not that hard. These turny, spinny ones, I recognize because they were hard for me to learn too. So, I'm nobody's expert dancer. I'm a girl who wished that they would let her on the dance crew or in the dance in high school and even college, and was not dancey, was not coordinated enough to get all of that going. But I found some real joy in line dancing, and the steps have been really easy for me to learn. So I just want you to know, if you think for any reason that I'm like a dancer, and of course I know, I promise you I'm not, all right? So take it from one non-dancer to another. I wanna help you know how to do this dance and feel good on the dance floor and live your best life. So, dance with joy and love. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.